Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account and device basics so fixes work. Sign into the primary Google account on the device, then open settings and verify language, region, and time zone match your account. Once done, make sure the Google app, Google Play services, and System OS are updated. Outdated components often block Assistant. If multiple accounts exist, set the correct one as primary for Assistant. These steps remove most permission and syncing causes before deeper troubleshooting. Now audit permissions and account-level restrictions because Assistant requires explicit access to work. Open Assistant settings, enable voice match, microphone access, and personal results for the chosen account. Grant any missing permissions. If the account is managed by work or family controls, remove or adjust policies that block Assistant. Clear the Google App Cache, reset app preferences, then sign out and sign in again to force a fresh token. This resolves authorization and local permission conflict. Finish with advanced fixes and confirm resolution. If previous steps fail, remove the Google account from the device and re-add it. Test Assistant after a reboot. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset to eliminate device-level corruption. If you see a persistent, not available for this account message, contact the account admin or Google support and provide any error ID. One key troubleshooting tip. Test the same account on another device to determine whether the problem is account-specific or device-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.